Today I've got a DeWalt battery-powered lawnmower to unbox. There's also the self-propelled version of this, but it's about $100 more, and for me, I don't really use the self-propelled. I just find that for what I'm doing, I need to be more maneuverable, and I'm not doing really long stretches. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what comes in the box. Got the those must be the batteries. That's pretty heavy. Actually has the weight there, 2.1 kilograms. Okay. This is really where the money is in this lawnmower, I imagine. 10 amp hour is really expensive. Oh wow. It's quite a bit bigger than the standard 2 amp hour. Let's see. There's another one in there. Okay, so two 10 amp hour batteries, XR. A bag of stuff. Oh, well that's handy. Comes with two of the chargers. So that could be my third charger, so that'll be nice to have for my other DeWalt batteries. And some bits and pieces. I guess that must be the interlock key or the key that you have to put in there. And the side discharge. And the manual. That's just a protective blanket. Let's lift that straight up. Or I think I am. There we go. Now box empty. So that's about everything you get in the box. And it looks a lot like a normal gas mower. Of course, no pull string or anything like that, but it feels pretty solid. Okay, and then the batteries. Oh, they just go in there, okay. Let's see if these batteries have any charge on them. Oh, they're just about, one's about empty. Just one bar there, so I think these need some charging. Let's get these charged up. go. Alright. I'm going to break this down a little bit more. We've got a zip tie on the handle. Here's a better view of everything without any of the packaging. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.